any opportunity you get to mentor a new hunter, I don't care if they're 16 or 60, just do it. Just do it. And what's up, everybody? 715 Outdoors. And as you can see, we are back at the cabin. I got some help today. Evan's buddy Noah has come along, and we got more hinge cutting to do. So this is Deer Chores Part 2. We're gonna do much more intensive hinge cutting, and to be honest with you, I'm really nervous about this because it's only my second time hinge cutting, and I learned a lot last time. I feel like I have a better idea of what to expect now, how much more or less I need to cut, and at what level. But it's getting real today. I'm taking down a lot of trees. I'm making a real thick area right off the food plots. Right there, guys. And we're getting after it. We are getting right after it. So it was pretty cool. We were walking around the property earlier and Noah found a shed. So I'll show the picture here so you can see that. And a funny situation, we were just kind of walking around talking about, like, hey, isn't this the time bucks drop their antlers? And Noah just so happened to find one right then. So we're gonna get to work, guys. Boy, the maple syrup people would be mad at me. Pound her down, Ev. Pound her down. All right, Noah, give Evan some relief. There we go. All right, stand back. Beautiful. He's down. Didn't go 20.
Didn't live though.
He's This is what happens when you do it wrong. Evan, what do you think of this?
Cool.
I've been cutting for a little over an hour, and it's definitely going faster today than it was last time. Losing about the same ratio of trees. It is what it is, you know. The whole idea is to get sunlight down here, get some hardwood regeneration kicking up under here. So I don't know if I'm done with this or not, to tell you the truth. Randy kind of has the whole hill being cut here, but it's starting to rain, so I think now's a good time to take a break and evaluate. So I'm walking the road to the, oh, something just fell over there. Walking the road over here to the food plots, and we have a good bit of screening here, which I like. I just wish it was a little thicker. I'm gonna have to evaluate just what else I can do. Ultimately, nothing can be perfect, right? Like, you know, more important than, or as important as screening, or probably more important than screening, is how you approach your stand, and how you're playing the wind. You're not going to be able to pull that. All right. It's good having help. The boys are having fun. And really, that's what this is about. Young Noah there, 16 years old. Evan's good friend from school. And they shoot on an archery team together. And Noah wants to learn how to bow hunt. And he's never done it before. So showed him the land here, and we talked about deer hunting all day and why we're doing what we're doing, you know. So any opportunity you get to mentor a new hunter, I don't care if they're 16 or 60, just do it. Just do it. And whether they hunt with a crossbow, compound bow, recurve, doesn't matter. Don't let those silly things get in the way of helping a new hunter, you know. It's a great opportunity. You know, I'm blessed. I'm blessed that God's given me a son to train up in the fear and admonition of the Lord, and to teach things, teach scripture, teach just manliness, godly masculinity, and hunting, you know, love of the outdoors. It's an amazing blessing. And, you know, it's not that like Noah's like an orphan or something. He's got a good dad, great family. They just don't really hunt. They want to learn. So I'm a great opportunity. So, and I'm blessed to be able to do it. So take someone out hunting, will ya? We're wrapping up our day here, just burning some leaves, and Noah found a shed. And have you ever found a shed before?
No, it's my first one. So it's pretty exciting to find one.
Yeah. It's funny, we were just walking through the woods talking about, hey, isn't this about the time that deer drop their antlers? Like, yeah. And all of a sudden he's like, oh, look what I found.
I just stumbled upon it, so.
Yeah, so what did you think of the 40 here at the cabin?
It's really nice. Yeah, it's a pretty cool place.
Yeah, it is. We're blessed to have it. So
great hunting land.
Yeah, well, that's what we're working for.
That's awesome.
So, Evan,
what?
Check a spiral to Noah. Not to me, I'm holding the camera. Oh. Nice. Nice. Don't fall on that.
Yeah, I won't.
That's sharp. Let's do one of those backflips.
Okay.
All right. Noah's going to do a backflip. Oh, getting his footing. Woo! Okay, now can you do it holding the selfie stick? Taking a selfie and...
I don't know. I haven't tried it before. A backflip.
Round off into a backflip. What in the world? In the rain with smoke in his eyes. Pretty dope, dude.
Yeah.
Pretty dope. Save all that energy for dragging deer out in the fall.
I will.